Hey guys, Matt from Greensward here. What we're looking at today is a crepe myrtle. Crepe myrtles are typically culprits for a particular insect, if you will. If you look at this particular tree, you can see some of the white dots on it. You can also see the black that has formed on that. You can also see it in some of the plants around it. So what the white stuff is technically an insect called scale. And what happens is that scale, through its life cycle, for lack of a better word, it poops. And through that excrement, it creates a disease, which then filters in and makes the tree black. So how to treat scale? The best way is to apply a systemic insecticide. So what's gonna happen is you apply it to the bark or the roots of the tree, and then the tree takes it up, and anytime this scale goes to attack the bark, then it will ingest the insecticide, which will ultimately kill the scale. Again, we're talking about the black sooty mold, which you see here kind of all around the tree, but that's just from the excrement of the scale, which is an insect, which are some of the white lesions that you kind of see scattered throughout the tree. And the insecticide, if taken up by the scale, will kill the bug that way. Keep it green.